Hey guys, let's bring you the history of Cagsawa located in Daraga, Bicol Region. Cagsawa Ruins in Bicol Region. Cagsawa Ruins, located in Daraga, Albay in the Bicol Region of the Philippines, are the remnants of the Cagsawa Church, originally built in the 16th century by Franciscan friars. The church was destroyed during the 1814 eruption of Mayon Volcano, one of the most catastrophic eruptions in Philippine history. The violent explosion buried the town of Cagsawa under layers of lava and ash, killing over 1,200 people who sought refuge inside the church. Today, the iconic belfry of the Cagsawa Church stands as a haunting yet powerful symbol of resilience against nature's fury. It has become a major tourist attraction, offering a striking view of Mayon Volcano's perfect cone in the background, while serving as a reminder of the region's rich history and natural beauty. Let's stand by for the next latest updates so you will be updated, guys, for some important information. See you!